We come back here to do the final step to the soup. We're going to remove the chicken breast so that we can shred it, and then we'll put it back into the pot later on. Let's see. There's one. Here's that other one. And to the soup, I have decided to add about a cup of noodles. You could be noodles of your choice. And we're going to give that a stir. And we let it cook for about 5 more minutes. And that will be it. The noodles have been cooking now for about 5 minutes. And to this, we are going to add the secret ingredient, which is a couple of eggs. So what I like to do is, I just, one more time, crack them right in there. And you want to keep them a little separated so that they don't stick together and everybody gets their own egg. And we let that cook for about 2 minutes. We're gonna put the lid back on, let it cook for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna add the chicken and add the parsley at the end, and then we're ready to serve. So it's been about 2 minutes, so the eggs should be done. To this, we are going to add the chicken back to the pot. We are also going to add the parsley chopped up. We're going to stir. And soup is ready. Have a little taste for salt because I haven't done